When trying to sketch the function y equals 3 times 4 to the x, there's two things that you want to take into consideration. You want to look at the a value and b value for the function. Since we write our exponential functions in the form y equals a times b to the x, we can easily see that our a value is 3 and our b value is 4. Since the a value is 3, remember that that tells us where our function is going to cross the y-axis. So the y-intercept for this function is going to be located at 0, 3. Now the b is a positive 4. Since the b is a positive 4 and it is greater than 2, that means this is actually going to be a growth function. To determine if it's reflected in the x-axis, you want to look at the a value. Since our a value is a positive 3, this is not going to be reflected. So what this function is going to kind of take the form of is it's going to look something like this. And then just to be a little bit more specific to our function y equals 3 times 4 to the x, you want to use that y-intercept. So since our y-intercept is located at 0, 3, we're going to plot that point. And then since our growth factor is 4, which is greater than 2, we know that it's going to grow more quickly than our reference function y equals 2 to the x. So when we go to sketch our blue function, that y equals 3 times 4 to the x, we want it to hit that y-intercept and then shoot up a little bit more quickly than the y equals 2 to the x. And remember to go through and label all of your functions on your graph. So that is what y equals 3 times 4 to the x should look like. It's going to be a little bit more stretched since it has that higher y-intercept than y equals 2 to the x, and it's also going to grow a little bit more quickly because that growth factor is a 4 instead of a 2.